guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne, and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out any of my crazy wild story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, if you look down below, I have everything listed of all the makeup used in order to create this look, as well as my social media outlets on Instagram. Don't forget to go over there and follow me there, because that way you'll know when I have discounts or I have sales on my website, www.toolavishhair.com, or if you need a coupon code. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, we're going to go ahead and get into it right now. So we're going to go ahead and prime the eye with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. And I'm going to take my concealer brush and move this around the lid. And what's left on the brush, I'm going to go ahead and carve out the brow a little bit. So today we're going to go in with our BH Cosmetics 42 Ultra Matte palette. And the first color we're picking up is this one right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and pack this brush and tap it off. You know, I'm always packing brushes. I want to make sure I get all the color I can on there. And then we're going to work that into the crease line and bring it up. The next shade we're going in with is this one right here. Once again, packing the brush and tapping off the excess. And we're going to work that right into the crease line. And then we're pulling that up. Now we're working on giving the eye some dimension. We're going to go ahead and add our highlight underneath the brow. So we're going to go ahead and pick up this shade here. Just going to dust that right underneath the brow. And that's going to lightly smooth any harsh lines out from the first color we laid down and bring everything together. And what's left, we're just going to bring underneath the eye. Now we're going in with our Natasha Denona palette. And we're going to pick up this shade here, and we're going to go ahead and pack that brush as well. We're going to work that right into the crease line, giving the eye some depth. You see me looking back and forth. I have a larger mirror in front of me and I have a smaller mirror. I like to have both so that way I can see what it looks like from a distance and see what I'm doing close up. So if you wonder what I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. Looking at two different mirrors. Okay, now once we get that the way we want it, we are going to go ahead. Yeah, we're going to go back in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige again. And we're going to put it right in the center of the eye. Take our concealer brush and just kind of move that around in this area, giving the eye some tackiness. And then we're going to go back in with our Natasha Denona palette. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to rub it around on this color here. And then we're just going to pack that right in that area. And kind of pull it. And we're going to lightly build its intensity. So you should have something like this once you're done. Now we're going to go back in with our BH Cosmetics 42 Ultra palette. And we're going to tight line the eye. I'm going to pick up black. And we're only going to tight line the outer lower lash line and the inner lower lash line. So we're going to bring it to about right there, and then we're going to hit the inner lower lash line. Then we're going to take another brush And we're going to go back in with the Natasha Denona palette and pick up that same color we just put on the center of the eye. And we're going to tight line the center lower lash line. Once we get that done, we're going to go in with our liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to use the Revlon's Color Stay in the color Blackout. It's actually one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners. So, and I use a skinny wand because it's easier for me to be precise. And we're going to go ahead and line the eye. Now we're going to go ahead and put our mascara on. And I'm going to go heavy on the lower lashes. That way the 3D Mink lashes we're going to put on will match a lot better. And the lashes I decided to pair with this look today are my Scarletts. These are my Scarletts. She's very dramatic. She gives you that thickness. She's lengthy as well. And if you'd like to go ahead and purchase a pair of Scars, you can go ahead and look down below in the description box and click on my website, www.toolavishhair.com, and that's where you can purchase her. So let's go ahead and pop these girls on. So I'm going to go ahead and set her down. I don't think I got it right the first time. I'm going to pull it just a little bit. I'm going to set the inner part of the lash all the way down. And then I'm going to lift the outer part of the lash up just a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure her down lightly. And now before the adhesive sits, I'm going to go ahead and push down on the inner part of the lash and lift up on the outer part. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out any of my wild and crazy story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, follow me on Instagram at Shavonne.Ritchie and my business page at Too Lavish Hair. That's where you'll know when I'm having sales on my website and if you need a discount code or what the prices will be when I have my sales. And I will see y'all guys next time.